Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at aldigrabs.com, a site that claims you can earn rewards and gift cards just by doing simple tasks online. They even claim to be in partnership with Aldi, because apparently a multi-billion-dollar supermarket chain needs you to click buttons to give away free money. It sounds tempting, but is it actually legit, or should we stay as far away as possible? Let's find out together. The first thing that caught our attention is that the site doesn't even have its own dedicated page. Instead, it immediately redirects you to something called alduck.viral.app. Nothing screams professional business like a website that's essentially living in its parents' basement under a different name. This kind of redirection is a massive red flag that puts your personal information at risk and makes the whole operation look incredibly sketchy. Next, we checked the domain registration, and it turns out this site was registered in August 2025. Apparently, these scammers are operating from the future. Even if we assume it's just brand new, a site with zero track record is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. When a domain is this fresh, it's always safer to be extra cautious unless you enjoy being a guinea pig for digital identity theft. Then come the offers themselves. They claim you can get £750 just for filling out a form or doing market research. Honestly, if filling out a form paid that much, we'd all be retired on a private island by now. They even use the classic "only 67 spots left" tactic to rush you into making a mistake. It's a classic scam move, right up there with those emails from long-lost princes. Don't fall for the fake urgency. Another major red flag is the total lack of customer support. There is no contact page, no email, no phone number, and not even a carrier pigeon. If anything goes wrong, you're essentially shouting into a void. A legitimate company always makes it easy to get help, whereas these guys seem to be playing a very dedicated game of hide and seek. Lastly, we checked out the reviews on the site itself. There are some testimonials, but they feel way too perfect to be real. For example, Sarah M. received £750 in 5 days. Sure she did, and I'm the Queen of England. There's no full name, no picture, and absolutely no proof. We also searched Trustpilot and Reddit and found absolutely no real discussion or verification. It's a ghost town. Putting it all together, aldigrabs.com seems highly unreliable. The suspicious redirect, the brand new domain, the unrealistic payout promises, and the lack of support all point to one thing. This site is not safe. Our advice is to stay cautious and keep your personal information to yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more reviews. Stay safe online, and see you in the next one.